we're about to head over to the Warsaw Supercharger. There's a little bit of mythology with this location. If it is still there, and if it is still operational, we will give it a review. But the background with this station is that it was shut down by Tesla. And then the unofficial part is that it was after the experience for the Tesla owners. The hotel ownership was very hostile, and if you ever do try this, assuming that I even have any success charging there today, don't go into the hotel for anything unless you want to spend the night. That would be pretty much the only reason. It looks like that they were leaving it up long enough to fulfill their contract, and then it will be coming out. At last I heard that the stations were still there and still running, but they were removed from the map. And I think I'll try to show you that when we arrive, if they're still there. Okay, if you're attempting to use the Warsaw Supercharger, there is a rest stop right on the exit. Use that. Navigate on autopilot is about to take the exit. Here we go. Click, click, click. Alright, it looks like it's on the right. We shall see. Oh, I forgot to turn on my microphone. It's a McDonald's. A Waffle House. There's the Quality Inn. I believe that's them. Yes, it is them. And it appears that they still have power. So we're going to go try it out. Not sure if this is the correct entrance or not. But it's my entrance. Huh. They're even upgraded to the new models. It is a 6-stall supercharger. I'm gonna come over here to 2B or so. Hard to do this with the wrong hand. I'm a right-handed backer, even though I'm a left-handed everything else. Well, I'm a left-hander. I'm not left-handed everything. All right. Put in park. Okay. We've got 1A, 1B, 2A, which makes this a traditional supercharger. As far as the layout, oh, the cable is stiff. It's in the 30s right now for temperature, so the supercharger cables they stiffen up quite a bit in the cold weather. All right, it says it's starting to charge. There we go. It's green. We're good to go. Now, because of the high state of charge I'm at, we won't actually get a very fast charge. Still faster than you can get in the house. It's still faster than I can get over Chathamo. Look at that. Not bad. All right, I'll come back with a review in just a minute. I say that. You've got McDonald's, a Waffle House, a bunch of gas stations. Oh, Taco Bell. Anyway, there's not much I can say about it, but we'll go ahead and get you the review in a minute. Okay, as we can see on the map, there is no indication that there's a supercharger here. It has been deleted. It's just a little humorous to me. We're getting currently 58 kilowatts, so it's slowing down to match my state of charge. All right, and let's flip this camera around and give you a review. I give this station, if you're staying the night at the hotel, I give the station a 9 out of 10. If you're staying the night at the hotel. If you're not, there's a reason it was removed from the map, and for that I'll give it the lowest score I can. I'm not sure if that's a 0 or a 1. We shall find out. I go to add it to the list. But like I said, lowest score possible just because of the reasons that they were removed, and they get a bonus point. So if it's 0, they get a bonus point to 1 for it being right off the highway, easy to find. I don't know how long the station will exist. Pretty much as soon as their contract is gone, you can expect this to get yanked out of the ground. And it's pretty interesting. I'll get some photographs. That way the YouTube video looks cool, and I can put them on the forum. What's the forum? I keep calling it the forum. It's our Facebook group for the Charleston Owners Club. It's owners only, but if you are an owner, you can sign up and participate. With that, we'll see you next time. Catch you on the flip side.